ready to declutter your GitHub and say goodbye to a repository. Let's dive right into the process. But first, a crucial reminder: deleting a repository is permanent, so make sure you have backups of any essential data. Alright, first things first, navigate to the GitHub repository you want to banish. Now, look for the Settings tab, usually located on the right side of the page, near Insights and Security. Click on it. Scroll down, all the way down, until you find the ominous Danger Zone. In the Danger Zone, you'll see the Delete This Repository button. Click it, but proceed with caution. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking you to type the repository's name. To confirm that you understand you're deleting it, type the exact name of your repository in the field provided. Once you've typed the name correctly, the final confirmation button will become enabled. Click this button. You might be asked to enter your password to confirm, depending on your GitHub settings. And that's it. Your repository is now gone. You'll likely see a confirmation message or be redirected to your profile page. Remember, this action is irreversible, so always double-check before you delete. Consider archiving instead. Now, go forth and manage your repositories responsibly.